Wattpad's Guide to Conquering Your Writer's Block. Are you unable to continue your writing or feeling drained of creativity? This guide is filled with tips and tricks to help you slay writer's block and get back your passion for writing. Getting to the root of the problem. Writer's block is a very common issue all writers face at some point in their lives. It can be very frustrating to try to deal with and can even cause many people to give up on their writing. In order to find a solution, you first have to have a better understanding of what is causing the problem. Sometimes, writer's block can be remedied by just a change in the environment. The problem might not even be a writer's block. Some are unable to fully concentrate due to messy, loud, or tech-savvy environments. Try writing outside, in a library, or even at a local coffee shop. For me, writing in my school's library helps. The more boring the environment, the better. It inspires me to fill the world with creativity. For others, silence can be the enemy. Many people feel more creative with music playing in the background. I have met a few writers who need to have classical music playing to feel inspired, while others like to play rock music when they are brainstorming. Maybe the problem is too many ideas. You might feel as is you have a tornado of ideas but cannot grasp it all and are unsure of where to start. To remedy this, try to loosely map out your ideas or paper. You can always connect the dots later on in the creative process. Common weapons/cures. Listed below are some common weapons to use against writer's block. Sometimes, it's as simple as just taking a short break from writing to recharge your creativity. Get out and spend time with your friends and family. Go for a trip. This can be an avenue to many new ideas and locations to use in your stories. Binge watch or read other people's work. Try writing a short story that is out of your normal genre. Brainstorming different ideas. Trying following writing prompts. Please see the next chapter for some helpful ideas. Ghostwrite for someone else. Try co-writing with another Wattpad member. Writing prompt ideas. You have just learned that about your evil twin. Every day when you open your eyes, you see things in different colors. Make a huge mistake. An animal escapes from the zoo. A road trip gone wild. Get arrested. Tricked into believing your house is haunted. Someone you thought was dead shows up at your front door. Introduce a rival. You are a newspaper writer in 1915. You fake your own death. Use sea and flying saucer. Describe color to a blind person. You are a colorblind artist. Your favorite childhood memory. You get left behind on a class field trip. You build a fort in a store. Extreme April's Fool's Day prank. New Year's resolutions. Write a short story based on your favorite song. You're the fifth member of the Beatles. A story full of love letters. Back to the Future, but with vampires. Time travel. Write a story based around your favorite recipe. You are snowed in for a week. There is a monster hiding under your kid's bed. Funniest work-related story you can remember. A wizard loses his ability to do magic. A day in the life of an illiterate person. The internet access is now redistricted, and only people with ties to the government can access it. You attend a sit-in protest in the 1960s. You are an extrovert in a would make up of 80% introverts.